Today I'm going to do a look that is inspired by a picture that a client sent me, and it was her inspirational picture for what she wants me to do when her appointment rolls around. So I'm going to begin today with an eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to use the 29N, the Tarte Shape Tape Creamy, and this look is not going to be a cool look, so the fact that this concealer has a little bit, it's 29N, but it doesn't look neutral to me. It looks a little bit warm. I'm going to blend that in with a Real Techniques brush. I hope all of you are having a wonderful spring. It's almost summer. Well, actually, summer's more than a month away. Officially. It was warm this morning when I woke up, so that was not, it was warm before the sun even came up. So I'm using the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette, and I'm going to begin with the color Morgan, and it's a peach. I'm just going to put it on the transitional area like that. Pat's out of town. He's going to be gone for 2 weeks. So I'm going to have lots of time to do videos if any of you have any requests. I know you've been requesting for me to do that look. It was a look that was in one of my previous videos where I didn't do the look. It was about something else. Only thing is I don't even remember what palette I used. I guess I could go back and watch it and try to copy it the best I can. Okay, that was Morgan. Now I'm going to take the color Azalea and apply that with my finger. It's kind of a metallic. It looks like it reflects pink. Anywhere that I get outside the lines, I'm going to go ahead and clean that up with a makeup wipe. I want a more of a pink tinge to that. I'm going to take this color Glory, and it is pink, and take that over the top to bring that to more of a pink place. And then I'm taking Agate, which is gold, and putting that over the top of that. I think I'm getting there in the right direction. I'm going to take the color Clove, and it is a matte reddish brown to define these outer corners, and I'm going in a circular motion in the outer V. Like that. Now let's work on the brows. I'm going to use the Seint palette, and I'm going to use the color Trust to fill in my brows. I'm using a Brow Gal brush for that. I've noticed since I've been sitting out in the sun or whatever that my brows are bleaching out. So I look like I have even less brow than I did before. This Seint sticks very, very well to bare skin and brow hairs. I was using I did a makeup look yesterday, and I used a brow powder, and it wouldn't stick to my skin. I don't remember what it was. It wasn't a brow powder. It was an eyeshadow. I'm moving kind of fast, but I'll go back and clean up anywhere that I made it look like Groucho Marx brows. I'm going to comb that through with the spoolie end of this Brow Gal brush. So this week, while Pat's been out of town, I've been sprucing up the guest bathroom so that it'll look nice for my clients. I would say that 80% of the time I go on location, but 20% of the time my clients come to my studio here, and you know, the bathroom, you know, was clean for the clients, but it was still decorated for men. So I have ordered some feminine things, a feminine shower curtain and a picture and a rug. Actually, I ordered the shower curtain, then I ordered a picture, and then the place where I ordered the shower curtain canceled the order on me. They said they ran into a problem. I don't know what the problem was, because it wasn't the payment. Because they said, anyway, whatever. For whatever reason. Anyway, so then I had to pick out another. So I ordered the shower curtain, then I ordered the picture. Well, then I had to order a different shower curtain, and I went in kind of a different direction. And now the picture I ordered doesn't, when I compare the two pictures, it doesn't, the picture of the shower curtain, the picture of the picture, they don't look like they're going to go well together. So I may have to return the picture. Alright, this is the Seint foundation in the color Sandy from that little palette that I ordered just to give them a try. Now I'm going to take, I think I'm going to take Glory again, that really bright pink, and go around the edges of Morgan. Now I'm going to take this pencil and line the underneath. I think I'm going to carry it into my waterline too. I'm going to get my Huda black liner, and I'm going to get the tight line with that. I went ahead and carried that up to the top of my top lashes too, and I'm going to go back with the Q-tip and smudge that. I'm going to put some brow setter in my brows. This is the by Benefit. The side of the brush with the longer teeth comb better. I'm going to see if I can get that rose color on my lid a little more intense. So I put Azalea on my brush, and I'm spraying it with the Morphe setting spray. I'm going to take the agate and put it on the front. And I'm going to take Clove and put it over the top of that liner. And then put some Poppy over the top of that. Poppy's the metallic of that same color. Clove. I'm going to curl my lashes. And I'm going to use an eyelash primer today. I'm going to use the one by Lancome Cils Booster. I'm going to brush that through so it doesn't have any clumps. Actually, it's a comb. It's not a brush. I'm going to let that dry just a little bit. I'm going to use this mascara by Essence. If I remember correctly, it gives a nice big lash. I'll get the inside corners. And then I'm going to use the Giga Black by MAC to get those bottom lashes. Point being, I'm trying to create a big lash without adding lashes. I'm sure my client's going to want lashes. But I don't feel like working to get all that glue out tonight out of my lashes. I like the makeup removal process to be as easy as possible. Especially the eye makeup, so I can get my eyelash serum on. Today I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Healthy Glow as my primer. I didn't have anything else on my skin. I washed it this morning and didn't put any skincare on. Last night I wore the Huda Beauty skincare, the serum, the Daily Veil. I've been wearing the Daily Veil to bed. Alright, Healthy Glow on. I want to wear this Charlotte Tilbury foundation, but I ordered it too light. So I'm going to take a mixture of the Charlotte Tilbury, which is too light, and the Natasha Denona, which is very golden, and see if I can get a correct makeup look, makeup color. I'm going to use my Mally brush to mix those. I'm mixing it on a palette down here. It looks good. It looks nice and peachy. We'll bring it down my neck. This is the real young girl, so I'll probably use airbrush on her. I probably will not use a liquid foundation, a traditional foundation. I was doing some house cleaning. Somehow I gave myself a little bruise. See, what did I do today? Pulled the refrigerator out and cleaned the floor and the back of the refrigerator this morning. Cleaned the windows inside and out in my studio. What else did I do? Oh, mop the kitchen. Yeah, I'm gonna be whooped. See, I've been up since before 4. There, that's not a bad color, right? I'm gonna put the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind down the center of my nose, underneath my eyes, on the corners of my mouth, and I think that's all for now. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush, and I'm going to start under the eyes first. I'm going to let that on top of my nose set up a little bit. And then I'm going to take my bronzer. So I'm going to begin with Salem, which is orange, and put that on my cheekbone. Like that. And then I'm going to go in with Bathory, which is the pink, and put that in the front. And a little bit across my nose, like that. I like that. I like it outlined in pink, so I'm going to keep doing that. Orange in the middle and pink on the outside. And then I'm going to take my makeup brush and clean up where I got too close to my nose. Then I'm going to use the highlight from here. I think I'm going to use all 3. I'm going to take my Morphe, this big fan brush. It's M143, and I'm going to run it through all 3 highlights and give it a little spray with the Morphe. That's a illuminating. What do you call it? Set and refresh mist. Okay. And put that on my cheekbone. Follow it all the way back, the bone all the way back. Put it on the tip of my nose, between my eyes, betwixt the eyes, on the Cupid's bow. Like that. Then I'm going to set my makeup to keep it in this peachy theme going. I'm going to use my Sonia Kashuk powder brush and set that with the Peach Perfect from Too Faced. Isn't that who this is from? I think so. See, that made it all meld together really nicely. I'm going to go ahead and use the Chill makeup spray because it's gotten kind of dry. There. That brought some of the luminousness back. Let's do lips. I'm going to use the same pencil that I used in, under my bottom lashes and in my waterline as my lip liner. It's Burgundy by MAC. I'm going to wear it in a little bit. Like that. I'm going to add the Huda Diamond Balm. I like that. I may stop right there. I'm going to use the Giga Black in my top lashes. I can't seem to get enough va-va-voom going up here. Okay, that's my look. I hope that you enjoyed this get ready with me. I guess that's what this was. All right, that's my look. I hope you enjoyed this time with me this morning or this evening, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Be sure and leave a makeup request in the comments, and I'll try to get to it soon. Ta-ta.